What is up, guys? Serg here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys the best 5 side hustles that you guys can actually get started in 2022. This one, it is my best one, so I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually get started. So before we get started with this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified when I upload my next video. So yeah, without no further ado, let's get started with this video. So the first one is called Airbnb. I know most of you have heard of Airbnb, but if you guys haven't, it's basically just renting out your apartment or renting out a room or renting out the house that you guys already own or have an extra room to lend out. So you guys do not really need to actually own a house to start doing Airbnbs. I have watched a lot of videos on how you guys can actually get started with doing this, and I actually seen some proof that you guys can actually do it this way and be successful the way you guys could do this. This is what a lot of people do that don't have properties and they're just using somebody else's land. This is what a lot of people do, is subleasing. So they basically get it under contract. They go and find a landlord that already has the property, and they basically just get a contract from them that they're gonna be subleasing it to other people. And yes, you guys do need to tell the landlord that you guys are gonna be doing this, because if not, sometimes the landlord will terminate your contract if you guys do not tell them that you guys are going to be doing Airbnb with their property. So the way you guys want to do this is basically just go out and look for apartments that are for rent. Right, you guys could easily do this and just go out and find like 20 apartments that are for rent. Call all of them, and one of them will actually say, okay, fine, let's go to let's do this, sign the contract, and yes, you guys are gonna have to get the down payment, the security deposit, whatever, and you guys are gonna, and then after that, you guys can actually start listing it in Airbnb, and that's how you guys could do it without any property. But if you guys already have a property, you guys could easily do this without the headache of a landlord. The second one is basically renting out your car on Turo. All right, yes. This one is actually pretty good because I just got started renting out my car on Turo, and it actually went pretty good for the first month that I got started. If you guys have an extra car, or you're thinking of buying a car but not thinking of making a payment, you guys could easily start doing this just by getting the car and renting it out to somebody for a few weeks, and then get the money for your payment, and then you guys don't have to rent it out after that. But it's actually a pretty good side income if you guys just want to not rely on having liabilities, which I preach on, that you guys stick with assets instead of liabilities. Buy assets first, and then let your assets buy your liabilities. That's one of the main things that I go for, especially after reading Rich Dad Poor Dad. If you guys want to get that book, the link will be down below. Just on having it a liability no more, you guys could easily make it an asset just by listing it on Turo. Alright, if you guys do want a full video on how you guys could get started with Turo, all you gotta do is comment down below that you guys want a video on that, and I'll start trying to do it. Okay, I'll show you guys how you guys get started and what would happen on your first rent out, and I will show you guys when it comes back how it is and stuff like that, because I did have some incidents that I want to share with you guys if you guys are interested in that, so you guys could be more aware of what you guys are getting into before you guys get started with your tour business. The third one is e-commerce, aka drop shipping. If you guys don't know what it is, it's basically getting a product, selling it for getting it cheap and selling it for more. So that's what it is, basically what it is. You guys could easily find suppliers, find a product that you guys want to start selling, get that product, find a supplier for that product, and then sell it for more on TikTok. And the best way to actually find products is basically just going on TikTok and finding TikTok maybe buy or Amazon finds. Basically, that's what you guys got to do to look for the best products that are trending as of right now. Okay, I know there's a few products that actually been trending on TikTok and that I've seen multiple times. It's called the flame diffuser. That's the one I've seen a lot. So if you guys want to get started, all you gotta do is basically just go on TikTok, find a product that is trending, make a store for it. All right, it's pretty easy to actually set up a store. If you guys want to learn how to do that, you guys could click right here so you guys could know how to create your own e-commerce store. Pick a product create a website and start promoting it on TikTok. What I suggest you guys do is actually buy the product yourself and start making TikTok videos and promote it on TikTok. You know, because TikTok is the best way to actually drive traffic to your e-commerce store, especially because one video could actually just go massive viral, and you guys will actually start receiving sales. The other way is getting paid ads through TikTok. Still gotta have to buy the product, create videos, and make TikTok videos and use TikTok ads to promote those videos, so you don't have to wait as long. And TikTok ads, I know they're expensive, but they're really high converting. The fourth one is actually selling digital products, right? Let's say you're already in a niche that you guys want to get into, or already know something around that niche that you guys could start selling. Let's say you guys learn how to cook, all right, and you guys already have that skill of cooking. So people want to learn how to cook and learn how to cook pretty good. You guys could easily create a course on how you guys could start cooking, or how you guys could do this and how you guys could do that. You know, how to flavor your chicken, whatever you like to think. You guys could actually make a course of it. Or let's say people want your recipes on what you guys been cooking. You guys could easily create a recipe book, an ebook, to actually start selling it to your followers. You guys could easily just start selling it for $20, you know, and start making money that way. You know, it's pretty good to actually start selling digital products, because you guys do not have to worry about any overheads or anything like that to store your inventory and stuff like that. You guys do not have to worry about it, because you guys, it's basically all digital. You guys just create it once, and you guys can make a passive income about it. Easily just start promoting it when you guys are actually started doing your TikToks, or start running ads to creating a digital product. You know, you guys do not need a following to start doing this. You guys can usually just send ads to it, but it will cost you some money. But if you guys want to do it the free way, all you guys got to do is basically just create a TikTok, create a following to start promoting your digital product. And the fifth one, I actually think, is the best one, because you guys do not need no inventory. You guys do not have to deal with customer service. You guys do not have to deal with properties, car rentals, and stuff like that. And the fifth one is the one I actually got started when I 4 years ago on my entrepreneur business. Is called affiliate marketing. Yes, to make money as fast as possible, you guys do need a big following. But when you guys start off, nobody starts off with 1 million followers. I'm gonna tell you this right now, that you guys can actually get started with affiliate marketing as soon as possible. Start creating content around the niche that you guys are trying to get into, and start promoting products around that niche. Alright, so what you guys got to do first is pick a niche, pick a product, build a landing page, so you guys can start collecting emails, because most of affiliate marketers make their money in the back end, which is their email marketing. That's what a lot of people do. That's why a lot of people don't show their face when they're doing affiliate marketing, and that's how a lot of people make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. You know, you could see a lot of people making a lot of money with their email list, because they have, like, let's say they have like 50,000 subscribers on their email list, but they don't have that much following on their social media accounts. It's because they actually have an influence that nobody sees but them, that nobody could take away. That's why it's the best one, I think, because you guys don't really need to waste any money to actually get started. All you guys got to do is take the time to actually start learning how to do this correctly, and start putting in the work on how you guys can actually get started doing this. All to be successful with affiliate marketing is learn how to do this right and stay consistent with it. If you guys stay consistent with it, you guys will actually see good results with affiliate marketing. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell, so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. If you guys really want to start your first side hustle, you guys can actually click the link down below, so you guys could actually get started with starting your first side hustle, which is affiliate marketing, which is the one I start making. And you guys can actually learn from one of my mentors that I think that is actually the best one to date, that actually help you guys out as a beginner, and use TikTok to actually help you guys start growing your affiliate marketing business as fast as possible. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, peace.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 stick, you can get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like